How should we then live in times like these, when there's wars going on, there's political upheaval across the globe, there are infiltrators in the church who are polluting the church of God? How should we live? Well, Jude answers that question in Jude chapter 1, verse 17. He says, "But you, beloved, ought to remember the words that were spoken beforehand by the apostles of our Lord Jesus Christ." In other words, remember the Bible. Go back to the Bible, read the Bible, and understand what it says and how we are to live in these last days. How should we be living? How can we be faithful witnesses for Jesus Christ? The epistles give us the answer to that, and therefore we need to know our Bibles, be reading them, meditating on them, thinking about them, even memorizing scriptures, so that we can live well to the praise and glory of our God.